Hey there, your channel name community. If you're ready to transform your basement with modern mold-proof wall systems, you've come to the right place. Let's be honest, folks. Finishing your basement is a big job. You want to make sure you're doing it right, and that means using the best materials for the job. That's why today we're exploring the top types of newer wall systems that offer quick, easy, and effective solutions for basement finishing. These aren't your grandpa's basement walls, folks. We're talking about advanced materials, cutting-edge technology, and best of all, peace of mind, knowing your basement will be dry, comfortable, and healthy for years to come. Let's dive in. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly review what makes these wall systems modern and mold-proof. You see, a lot of folks think mold-proof means just slapping up some moisture-resistant paint. That's just putting lipstick on a pig, folks. We're talking about a holistic approach to moisture management. These new systems feature advanced materials designed from the ground up to resist moisture. That means no more worrying about dampness seeping in and ruining your hard work. And it's not just about the materials themselves, it's about how they're installed. These systems are designed for easy installation, often with interlocking panels or prefabricated sections. That means less time cutting, measuring and fiddling around, and more time enjoying your finished basement. And speaking of enjoying your basement, let's not forget about comfort. Many of these modern wall systems also include built-in insulation. That means a warmer, cozier basement in the winter and a cooler, more comfortable space in the summer. Plus, it can save you money on your energy bills. And who doesn't love that? Now let's break down the top options available. First up, we have panel-based systems. These are a game changer for basement finishing. They use large, interlocking panels that are quick to install and prevent mold. Think of it like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle. One of the biggest advantages is their speed. You can cover a large area quickly, perfect for busy homeowners. No more messy drywall or waiting for things to dry. These panels are durable and moisture-resistant, ideal for basements. Moisture is the enemy, and these panels protect your investment. You've got options with panel-based systems. Choose from different materials and finishes to suit your style and budget. Next, let's talk about modular wall systems. These systems consist of prefabricated panels or sections that snap or lock together, making them ideal for DIY projects. That's right, folks. You don't need to be a professional contractor to install these walls. Modular systems give you the flexibility to design your basement just the way you want it. You can add walls, create rooms, and even incorporate windows and doors with ease. It's like building with giant Lego blocks, except the end result is a stylish and functional basement. One of the most popular types of modular wall systems is steel frame modular walls. Featuring a steel frame with a moisture-resistant covering, these walls are sturdy and easy to install. We all know steel is strong, and in a basement you want that strength to resist moisture and prevent warping or damage. Another popular option is composite panels. Made from a mix of materials like foam and fiberglass, these panels are lightweight, highly insulative, and resistant to mold. They're like the all-star athletes of the basement wall world, strong, lightweight, and resistant to anything Mother Nature throws their way. And here's the best part about modular systems. They're incredibly versatile. You can use them to create all sorts of spaces in your basement, from home theaters and game rooms to home offices and guest suites. The possibilities are endless. Now, Chapter 4, Insulated Wall Panels, Energy Efficiency Meets Mold Resistance. Now, let's talk about staying warm and dry, because nobody wants a cold, damp basement. That's where insulated wall panels come in. These panels are another popular choice for basement finishing, and for good reason. They combine insulation with a mold-resistant surface, providing both thermal efficiency and moisture protection. It's like having your cake and eating it too, folks. These panels are designed to keep your basement warm in the winter and cool in the summer, all while keeping moisture at bay. They're like a warm hug for your basement, but without the awkwardness of actually hugging your basement. One of the most popular types of insulated wall panels is EPS panels, which stands for Expanded Polystyrene. Don't let the fancy name fool you. These panels are affordable and offer good insulation properties while resisting mold. They're like the workhorse of the insulated panel world, reliable, affordable, and they get the job done right. If you're looking for a step up in performance, then XPS panels are the way to go. XPS stands for extruded polystyrene, and these panels provide a higher level of moisture resistance and insulation, making them ideal for basements prone to dampness. They're like the superheroes of moisture resistance, always ready to protect your basement from the evils of dampness and mold. And the benefits of insulated wall panels don't stop there. They can also help to reduce noise transmission, making your basement a more peaceful and enjoyable space. So if you're planning on using your basement as a home theater, a music room, or even just a quiet place to relax, insulated wall panels are a smart choice. Chapter 5. Concrete wall systems, durable, mold-proof and built to last. Now, if you're looking for a more permanent option for your basement walls, something that's built like a tank and will last a lifetime, then concrete wall systems are the way to go. We're talking about strength, durability and unbeatable mold resistance. Concrete wall systems might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of basement finishing, but trust me on this one, folks. They offer some serious advantages over traditional framing and drywall. First off, concrete is incredibly strong and durable. It can withstand a lot of wear and tear, making it ideal for basements that see a lot of traffic. Think about it. Concrete is what they build bridges and skyscrapers out of. If it's strong enough for those structures, it's definitely strong enough for your basement. Secondly, concrete is naturally moisture resistant. It doesn't absorb water like wood does, so it's much less likely to rot, warp, or support mold growth. And in a basement where moisture is always a concern, that's a huge advantage. Now, when it comes to concrete wall systems, you've got a couple of main options. One option is insulated concrete forms, or ICFs for short. These are hollow blocks filled with concrete and insulation, providing both structural strength and thermal efficiency. It's like having a wall and insulation all in one, which saves you time and money during installation. Another option is precast concrete panels. These panels are factory-made and assembled on-site, providing a robust and mold-resistant finish for basement walls. They're like giant concrete Lego bricks that fit together to create a solid, durable wall. While concrete systems might be a bit pricier up front, they offer long-term cost savings due to their durability and energy efficiency. Plus, they add value to your home, which is always a good thing. Chapter 6. Choosing the right wall system, costs and benefits. So we've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've talked about panel-based systems, modular wall systems, insulated wall panels, and concrete wall systems. That's a lot of options. But how do you know which one is right for you? Well, like with any home improvement project, it comes down to your specific needs, your budget, and your DIY skills. Let's start with cost. Panel-based systems are often the most cost-effective option, especially if you're working with a tight budget. They're readily available, relatively inexpensive, and easy to install yourself, which can save you a lot of money on labor costs. Modular and insulated panels offer excellent performance for specific needs, but they might be a bit pricier than panel-based systems. However, their added benefits, such as increased insulation, moisture resistance, and design flexibility, might be worth the extra investment for you. Concrete systems, while being the most expensive option up front, offer unmatched durability and protection. If you're planning on finishing your basement and never having to worry about it again, concrete might be the way to go. Plus, they add value to your home, which is always a good thing. Now let's talk about installation. Panel-based systems are generally the easiest to install, even for DIY beginners. Modular systems are a bit more challenging, but still manageable for a confident DIYer. Insulated panels fall somewhere in between. Concrete systems, however, are best left to the pros. Ultimately, the best way to choose the right wall system is to carefully consider your needs, do your research, and talk to a qualified contractor. They can help you assess your basement, recommend the best options, and give you an accurate estimate of the costs involved. Outro, create the basement of your dreams. And that's a wrap on the top modern mold-proof wall systems for basement finishing. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Remember, folks, finishing your basement is an investment in your home and your family's comfort. By choosing the right wall system, you can create a space that's dry, comfortable, and healthy for years to come. Got any questions or comments? Drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.